Well, I went out for a run, but I came back home after 2 minutes because I forgot something. I forgot that I'm out of shape and I can't run for more than 2 minutes. What is good, everybody? Well, in today's video we're going to have some fun with good old trusty Rusty. Seeing old rust bucket is going to be straight piped. Well, there goes the neighborhood. Why? Because America. I've had several comments in the muffler videos that I've been doing to just straight pipe it, forget the mufflers, straight pipe is best. Well, I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. I'm going to drive it like this for a little bit. I'm not sure I'm going to keep it this way, but I'm really curious to experience driving this truck straight piped. I just want to kind of see what all the fuss is about. So I'll drive this thing for a while. I'll give you kind of my impressions and kind of my review of what it's like to drive a straight piped vehicle. Now this is stock, basically bumper to bumper. There's no mods to this thing whatsoever. It still has the catalytic converters on it. I plan on removing those eventually, but not right now. So basically stock 5.3, catalytic converters, and then it's just going to be pipe all the way to the end. So we got to remove the cherry bomb glass pack that's on here right now, and we'll just swap it out with just some standard exhaust tubing. Straight pipe this puppy. Don't tell my wife. Alright, so I've got the pipe in place of the old muffler. I've got two tailpipe sections that I bought at AutoZone, and just pieced those in to the exhaust. So let's fire this baby up and see what a straight pipe 5.3 liter sounds like. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I think it sounds pretty cool. Sitting there at idle, it's got a really nice rumble to it. I love the way it sounds as it revs up and then comes down from the high rev. Sounds pretty cool to me. All right, so now I'm gonna drive it around. We'll do some sound tests and drive-bys and accelerations and decelerations, so you get an idea of what straight piping a 5.3 liter V8 sounds like on a Chevy pickup. Well, the proof is in the pudding, as they say, so let's go take it for a drive.
Brace yourself.
that's my truck straight piped. Well, I've been driving my truck for a few months now, and I gotta say it took a little bit of getting used to. If you've seen my other videos, you know I've put 4 different cherry bombs on my Silverado, a glass pack, a vortex, an extreme, and a turbo. And the glass pack and the extreme were both the loudest as far as interior drone noise. If those two, the glass pack and the extreme, are an 8, then straight piping it is an 11.
11,
and most of
11,
the
and then
amps go up to 10.
Exactly.
Does that mean it's louder?
Well, it's 1 louder, isn't it?
Why don't you just make 10 louder and make 10 be the top number and make that a little louder?
These go to 11.
Well, it did take a little bit of getting used to, but now after a couple of months, it doesn't bother me at all. I will say that with the glass pack and the extreme, you would just really get the drone tone in your ears. You wouldn't really hear the exhaust note per se. With this straight pipe, you hear that rumble and crackle above the drone noise, so you know it's pretty loud on the exterior. And as you heard on the drive-bys, it is rather loud. Can you hear me? What? Have I noticed any gas mileage improvement or power improvement with the muffler being gone and no restrictions? Not especially. So what do I really think about having a straight pipe vehicle? I will say that as crusty as my truck is and as rusted out and beat down that it is, the straight pipe sound, it really suits it. Cue the montage. Truck looks a little rough and the sound goes right along with it, so I think that's pretty neat. Well, I really do love the sound. It is awesome how aggressive it sounds. It really does oftentimes sound like a race car, which is really cool to me. The cats are still on it, so it could still be louder. I could cut the cats out and make this thing even louder.
These go to 11.
I'm sure it would sound way better if we cut the cats out and did a true dual exhaust all the way to the back, but I don't have the money or the means to really do true duals right now. So this is just an example of anybody that just wants to get a real aggressive sound. Just cut your muffler off and put in some piping and you got yourself a pretty cool sounding pickup truck. I would say that ultimately I'm probably going to put the cherry bombs back on it.
You're a buzzkill every time you come around.
It's a bit too loud for my taste, and that's just me. Well, if you're bored and you don't have anything else to do, go check out my Daninator Instagram account. It's at the Daninator YT, and you can check that out. You'll get some behind the scenes stuff for this channel, maybe some sneak peeks of what's coming up, so be sure to check that out and give me a follow on there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hey Cat, what do you think of my truck being straight piped? It's obvious he loves it. If you'd like, leave a comment below and check out my channel for the other videos that I have on this pickup truck and the other vehicles that I own. I do a lot of repair work, plus I do some repair work on some friends' vehicles as well. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified of whenever I post new content. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you next time.